It's August the 21st, 2022, and I would like to announce the opening of 80s Toy Rescue. Are you all ready? Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you. On the grand opening day of 80s Toy Rescue Garage, I've got a brand new Corgi breakdown service Land Rover, bringing in my first ever toy rescue. Here she is. Get turned around in the car park. Now next, took away. So I've got an old Matchbox breakdown recovery truck from the 1960s. Looking rather worn. There's some parts missing off it. So we're going to get it in the garage and we're going to give her some TLC, and hopefully she'll come out looking nice and refreshed.